Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson. In this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first, we have another profile that is flying under the radar right now. We have never profiled this one here. Pull up XRTX immediately. According to FinViz, XRTX has a float under 3 million shares right now. This could explain as to why we have seen this one take a giant leap forward and hold its gains so far. XRTX is a biotech with 3 drug development programs, 2 of which are clinically advanced products under development. The company has a growing portfolio of intellectual property and in some cases claims within granted patents has established proof of concept through independent clinical studies. XRTX's pipeline includes proprietary and novel product candidates currently in clinical development. XRX-008 is being developed as a treatment of progressive kidney disease. XRXX-101 to treat acute kidney injury as well as health consequences associated with COVID-19 infection. The company's senior team, led by CEO Alan W. Davidoff, PhD, has a track record of success in the pharmaceutical industry, having played key roles in the development of oxypurinol in prior ventures. Notably, Synapsis Therapeutics was acquired for $624 million, and Trillium Therapeutics was bought for $2.2 billion by Pfizer, showcasing the leadership's ability to create significant shareholder value. The company has $5.2 million in cash, that is runway for 14 months. Short-term catalyst for the share price: signing of a global licensing deal in 2024 may provide non-dilutive funding during pivotal registration clinical trial with approximately 200 patients. To read our full report on XRTX, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. No spam, your info is never shared, unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. In terms of the overall market, Wall Street on Tuesday ended solidly higher after latest data on consumer inflation did little to alter market expectations in terms of interest rate cuts. Technology and AI-related stocks got a boost from Oracle and Nvidia. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite and the benchmark S&P both advanced more than 1%. Before the opening bell, data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics showed that the headline CPI in February rose 0.4% month over month, its largest increase since September 2023. Analysts had expected a rise of 0.4%, while headline CPI in January had been plus 0.3%. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, came in at plus 0.4% month over month, flat from January and a tad higher than the anticipated figure of 0.3%. On an annualized basis, core CPI was up 3.8% in February, moderating from January's 3.9%, but above the estimates of 3.7%. U.S. stock index futures had whipsawed in immediate reaction to the slightly hotter than expected report, but then quickly stabilized in the green. Wall Street then opened higher, and the 3 major averages climbed since, as investors see the CPI report as doing little to alter the Fed's cautious stance in terms of cutting interest rates only after being confident that inflation was coming down. According to the CME FedWatch tool, markets still expect the first 25 basis point rate cut to come in June, with those odds remaining unchanged at about 59% from a day ago. Nvidia was the top percentage gainer on the S&P 500, was up over 7%. Next week, the company is having its annual GTC AI conference starting on March 18th. In terms of stocks making the news, RGLS shares were up over 71% after it entered into a securities purchase agreement in connection with a private placement to certain institutional investors and other accredited investors. Under the securities purchase agreement, the investors have agreed to purchase shares of the company's common stock at a purchase price of $1.60 per share. Upon closing of the financing, the company expects to receive $100 million. Oracle stock soared over 11% after strong fiscal quarter 3 results and a positive outlook. CEO Safra Catz highlighted a 29% increase in remaining performance obligation, reaching over $80 billion. Catz attributed this growth to new cloud infrastructure contracts, noting that demand for their Gen 2 AI infrastructure surpasses supply. Oracle expects 43% of the $80 billion obligations to convert to revenue in the next 4 quarters and anticipates continued hyper-growth in the Gen 2 cloud infrastructure business, up 53% in Q3. Additionally, Oracle plans to announce a partnership with NVIDIA next week. The company also cited at least 40 new AI bookings that are over $1 billion, but that have not come online yet, with a massive $10 billion CapEx budget planned for 2025 as AI demand is driving further data center build-outs. AI is accelerating cloud demand, and this remains at the epicenter of the AI revolution. Others agree that Oracle is likely to keep benefiting from AI-related spending, especially in the cloud. Bottom line, guys, AI is still hot. Dips are to be bought in this market. Oracle is just another name that you can add to your AI watch list. We also have some undiscovered AI plays. We have a special report for subscribers. So as a bonus, unlock our featured report on 3 undiscovered AI companies when you sign up at insiderfinancial.com/LP. insiderfinancial.com/LP/YouTube. REWE, this one was out with news today. They announced a $20 million share repurchase program. The stock was up over 26%. VTYX, Wells Fargo upgrades to overweight with a $16 price target. That is a potential double. And usually it's a pretty big deal when a tier 1 bank like Wells Fargo covers and upgrades a small cap biotech. From last night's video, I talked about MRAI. Insider buying was up over 15%. And MicroStrategy continues its amazing run. It was up another 7%. Bitcoin right here just under the $72,000 level. Again, just unbelievable performance by Bitcoin. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback, but I do think that we're going over $100,000 at some point this year. And tomorrow, of course, our main focus is XRTX, but I will also be scanning pre-market, and if I see anything else, we'll let subscribers know. But, make sure you sign up and read our full report on XRTX and do your research. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com and sign up with your email and your mobile. Unsubscribe anytime. Your info is never shared. No spam. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Thanks to LFG Equities for sponsoring this video on XRTX. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.